Hey guys, so day number 3, we're going to be heading from the Hallidale Inn and North Coast Touring holiday farm up to Durness. A couple of stops along the way. I think it's just going to be the Tongue and the Lime Kilns and possibly a beach as well. But then we're going to get up to Durness, which we're going to have a look at Smooth Cave, and possibly there's a little wee craft village as well, which was home to, I think it was bunkers or something like that, housing during the Cold War. So yeah, we're going to be doing that today. Just decided to stop for a little bit of lunch here at the Tongue Bridge. We're halfway between Thurso and Durness right now. Originally we were going to go up to the Strathie Beach this morning, but yeah, we decided not to. It was just right next to Thurso and there was no point in really kind of taking a massive detour for it. So next up is Durness, Smooth Cave and the wee craft village. We're just about 5 miles outside of Durness. We decided to stop by this wonderful sandy beach here, which is just absolutely beautiful, and you wouldn't expect blue waters like that at the top of Scotland. That's more or less west of Scotland or Spain. 5 more miles and then we've reached our place for the night. A little bit of an update for you. We have arrived here at the Sango Sands Oasis, which is a caravan and camper park. It's pretty nice, it's pretty good. It's got some sea views. There's a viewpoint just behind us here further up. So tonight's going to be the first night that we're not on electrical hookup, which means that I can't plug in my drone battery to charge. I'm an idiot that forgot to bring in my USB-C cable, because only 2 things in my life run on USB-C, which is my camera and my drone, and my camera has a separate charger for the battery, so I don't need that at all. So yeah. Little bit of regret in that. A little bit of another update. We're not going to go to the craft village tonight, and we're not going to go to Smooth Cave either, because the weather is absolutely miserable. So fingers crossed it's a little bit better tomorrow morning. I think it's about a 20-minute walk down to Smooth Cave. So all in all, our trip, I might even try and do that before Karis is up in the morning. It just means that we don't have to move the van and it's easy enough to do. It's a final update of the night now actually. It turns out that I didn't need to leave my drone battery in reception overnight. Luckily there were some plugs in the camper's kitchen and I just left it there on the quick charge for an hour, and bingo, we have a full charged drone for tomorrow. So that is me. So tonight me and Karis have just played some cards, had some dinner, chilled out, all great, fantastic. Lola's nice and chilled as well. Got a beautiful sunset over the coast of Scotland here. I will catch you guys tomorrow for our trip down the west coast, northwest coast of Scotland, as we head towards Ullapool. Catch you then.